Even a family of 8 can sleep easily in this 2019 Puma 32RBFQ travel trailer at All Seasons RV Supercenter. This 36-foot 9-inch travel trailer is designed for better fuel efficiency with its lightweight construction. The exterior fiberglass is made for easy cleaning and maintenance. There is a large outside storage garage. Step into the living area and you'll find the entertainment center, as well as a sofa with cup holders and an overhead cabinet and a U-shaped dinette. The kitchen has a double-door refrigerator, a cooktop, and a dual-bowl sink. Inside the bathroom is a shower and a foot flush toilet. The bunkhouse features bunk beds with teddy bear mattresses and a bunk over the entertainment center. In the master bedroom is a pillow top memory foam queen-size bed. There's also a large closet and a dresser. Visit allseasonsrv.com now to see our full inventory online, or give us a call at 231-760-8772 to speak with one of our friendly and helpful RV representatives. No matter how you prefer to shop, All Seasons RV will work hard to bring you the nation's best RV brands for the guaranteed lowest possible prices.